Sawadee-krap. How is it going, guys? Welcome to my channel. Your friend Charlie here at Huai Khwang area in Bangkok to present you guys the Thailand. So another really humid, hot, at least it's really hot to myself. Afternoon or evening, really hot evening here in Bangkok, around like 29 degrees Celsius, and humidity is like 90 something plus to me. Well, still is way better than the daytime, and yeah, the weather is always hot. Traffic is no good. Took me quite a while to come to this Huai Khwang Market. Believe it or not, this is my second time to come to this area. It has been quite a while since I last visited this place. It has been like 7-8 years. Yeah, it's a big place. I'm not that familiar with this area, but definitely just at the moment when I turn on my camera, you can see like so much to explore. Just look at this place. This is I assume this is somewhere called Huai Khwang Market. It seems more like a fruit wholesale place, and if you get a chance to check out the price of those fruits, like that 50 means 50 baht, which means it's $1.50 $1.50 US for 1 kilo, which equals like 70 cents something per pound to purchase this kind of traditional local fruit. And also there's some tangerine, local tangerines, and yeah, local white mango. And the local grapefruit. Not sure if that is the official name. But yeah, this place is just really crowded, really busy. At the meantime, I will probably just keep on explore to see like what's going on down there this way. And here it looks like it is the actual entrance to the market. And seems like it is a little bit too late right now to explore this area, since the market I don't see nobody is down there. But here, see what I found. There's a little kitty. Oh boy, Mr. Kitty, he's not got to map. Hello. Hello. Okay. We'll just leave the cat alone and see what's going on to the front. More fruit, business, more fruit booths, and of course more cars. Hello, my friend. And I see another side alleyway. Not sure what's going on down here, but it seems like there's much more to check it out. Yeah, let's do it. That's the maybe barbecue shop something. Is it like sorry? Yeah, maybe it's all you can eat barbecue something. I'm not sure. Okay. Flower shop, veggie shop, Sawadee-krap, and seafood, a seafood shop. Maybe this mall. Okay, I assume this is the actual market area. Might as well I can come back to this area to check it out. Yeah, during the daytime. Yes, that's veggie food. see this alleyway? It's still busy down there. So, and yeah, butcher shop selling pork, and this one is the chicken shop. See the yellow chicken thing, looks like 150 baht per chicken. Looks like a really huge size one. That one seems like how much? 5 US for a big chicken. Less than 5 US. Veggie stuffs. Still see some people in the market. Seems like a little bit too dark. Might as well to check out the outside first. Okay. This is the shop for the side dishes, I assume. Not too sure. It's interesting that, yeah, by almost 9 o'clock, yeah, 8:30 in the evening, there's still more going on here in the Huai Khwang Market. Really busy. Still, yeah, some traffic in this area. And here we almost hit the end of this alleyway. So I assume like that's another street. Okay, this one looks more like a beef shop. Beef shop. Hey, yep, I was right. And there's some lightning going on somewhere. No thundering though. Veggie shop here. It become really dim in this area. So I assume not much to explore. Nope, too dark. Okay, I'm just gonna take a quick walk back to the main street again. And one gentleman is dancing in the local Thai style dancing. Yeah. now we are back to the main street, and still tons to explore. And that's the booth for who's selling the liver prawns / shrimps maybe. And those are like really affordable. If you look at the price, it says 120 baht per kilo, which equals less than 4 US per pound. That is 2 US. Less than 4 kilo per. Less than 4 US per kilo, which is lower than $2 per pound. Yeah, too much calculation because the units they are using here is totally different. They are using kilos just like the Europe, and in North America we mostly use pounds. And look at this. This one looks like a liver prawn thing. Okay. Seafood everywhere. Squid, octopus, and cuttlefish, blue crabs, and so much seafood. And look at the gigantic shrimps. Those are really big. Yep, this shop they are packing up now. So this is 100 for tilapia maybe. Tilapias, they are like actually really big here in Thailand somehow. And here there's a street food cart doing the grilled tilapia. Not sure how much that one is, but might as well I can. Okay, so it's almost sold out. So let me see if I can go across the street. Okay. Thank you guys. So much more to explore. So much more. Here's the flower store. More business at right next to the bus stop. I was talking to the lady on the bus. She told me like, just need to keep go ahead, and I will see more stops on this street. I assume right now it's still early. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. Definitely it's really noisy in this area because of the traffic. See how much traffic? Yeah, lots of traffic here. Okay. One more side street. Should be busy during daytime, and this gentleman he's basically like opening the durian. They are saying that opening a durian is sort of gambling. Once you open it, you get the good quality the durian, the value of the durian just increased dramatically. But say if once you open it, you see it is white meat. That means the durian is never good. This gentleman seems like he got some fortune. He win the lottery. He got a really good durian with some golden meat. Not bad. Here we go. 140 bucks for 1 kilo, which is maybe $1.50 per pound, something around that. $1.50 per pound for the durian with, yeah, the whole durian per kilo, by the way. Okay, so seems like this section is more like the durian area. Okay, I'm just gonna keep walking ahead to see what's going on down there. Noisy, busy, noisy. Street food booth making the waffle, Thai-style waffle cake. Another durian store. Durian everywhere. Barber shop here. Okay, it's getting wet out here. Okay. And check out this one. That's the marinated, something like, yeah, there's some local street food. Okay, this business, it seems like they're opening, they're setting things up. More stuff. Okay, that was loud. That was really loud. Okay, here is the dilemma. Okay, we are here at this intersection. In this street intersection, it seems like this street there's still much more to explore. While if I take a look at the side, see, there's another side street. It seems like there's much more. There's still a lot to check out there. Then what do? Just keep on walking? Yeah, might as well. That looks like the cuttlefish grill. Yes, I was correct. Cuttlefish. And those are the raw marinated seafood or whatever you call it. So those, they just dip into the seafood and salmon meat into the soy sauce or different kind of sauce mixture and make it a seasoned sashimi. Okay, one more food. Okay, another side street. This one looks not as busy. Still, I'm able to, yeah, I can just check out the first couple shops here. You know, I maybe should come to this area during the daytime if I can handle the heat, which I don't. So, unfortunately, no daytime visit anymore. I have been back to Bangkok city for 2 days already, and the thing is, I just got totally, yeah, I was exhausted on my trip to Ayutthaya for 2 days, and basically like For that 2 days, I was totally, yeah, totally worn out or totally done. I couldn't handle it. That is why I came back here and stay in the hotel for 2 days doing nothing other than, yeah, lying in the bed, resting. Okay, seems like this is the clothing area, selling this kind of fancy Thai style pattern like pants. See so many people wearing those pants, especially for visitors. Seems like this is the actual, yeah, this is where the actual night market is. Even though like I thought it should be busier. Still remember when I first got here in the year 2018. Yeah. Huai Khwang area, it was way busier than nowadays, I think. Okay. So on the left hand side of the street is the holding area, and the right hand side we see more eateries out there. That's the soup noodle eatery. Yeah, tourists here. This area seems familiar to me. Okay, yeah, so I was almost burned out during the 2 days visit in Ayutthaya. By the moment when I got back to Bangkok area, I just couldn't do nothing because of the fatigueness. That I had to like stay in the hotel, sit in there and do nothing. Tonight I feel a little bit better, and I try to encourage myself to come out to take a quick walk. Yeah, to this Huai Khwang area. Has been quite a while since my last visit. Yeah, I still remember that grocery shop, grocery store, not grocery, but that convenience store. I purchased something from there. Okay, 3 packs for 100 baht, which is $1, $1 per pack, per bag. And by the way, each bag is around like it's more than 1 kilo. That's more than 1 kilo. Just want to check out the massage price quick. Check out the price quick. Okay. Oh, okay, 250, that's fair. Alright, thank you. Yeah, definitely the price here in terms of massage is it's sort of lower than Khao San. Here it is 250 baht per hour when Khao San is more like 350 to 400. So definitely, like, if you come here to explore the local stuff, definitely this is a better place because they offer local price to local people, and you can take advantage of it instead of paying the traveler price. This is another temple sitting here right at the corner of the intersection. Here comes to the major intersection of Huai Khwang area where the subway station is. There's so many religious believers here tonight. Seems like it can be some of the there's some of the ceremonies or ritual going on possibly. And this is the Ganesha temple. What Ganesha? Seems it's really busy down here. Can I go in? No? Okay. And oh, ใช่ ขอบคุณครับ Oh yeah, I was asking the gentleman if I was allowed to get in, and she told me no filming is allowed to this temple. So unfortunately, no way to get in, but hopefully I can figure out more stuff in this area. Yeah, so basically like, yeah, that's the things changed. Back 8 years ago, 7-8 years ago, like this area it was even more crowded, busier than nowadays. Yeah, this is Huai Khwang area, a vibrant district in Bangkok, Thailand. To the casual visitors, Huai Khwang may seem unassuming, the busy interchange of traffic, office towers, and local shops, but this area holds secrets, stories, and soul. Woven into every soil, every store, every smile. In the last decade, Huai Khwang has bloomed from a modest residential district into one of the most dynamic and diverse neighborhoods in Bangkok. And yet, despite the cranes and the concrete, it has never lost its essence. It is here that tradition lives alongside transformation, and where Bangkok still whispers through the noise. Huai Khwang is not polished. It does not pretend to be, and that's what makes it real. Here, street vendors know your name. Motorbike taxi remembers your shortcut. Neighborhood still greets you with a why and a story. It is home to a large working and middle class Thai population, along with a growing number of expats, especially from China, Vietnam, and Korea, who have discovered this charm and affordability. And then they are artists, the dreamers, and the makers of culture. Huai Khwang's spirit is bound in the hands of its people, selling mango sticky rice at 3 p.m., 3 o'clock in the morning, tattooing dragon onto arms with centuries, or precisions, or performing live Thai folk music in Tataway businesses. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider like and subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any of the new video updates, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Take care. Cheers.